Hey guys, today is what, 30 minus negative 30 degree outside. It's hella cold, so it's Wednesday in Minnesota. So we got no work, which is great. Got paid staying home and stay warm. So I'm making this soup. It's chicken porridge. It's hella good for this kind of weather. So what I have here is this is the soup, and this is the chicken, and all the good stuff in here. And I got ginger, cilantro, green onions, and chili. I'm gonna put some, chop some more chili in here. I like chili. And beside that, I got eggs and shrimp. Eggs, it has to be medium cook only, but that's just me. So I'm not timing. Trying to finish this under 2 minutes, alright? It's huge. Like, I think that's 2 pounds. Okay, Google. 2 minutes timer. Ah! What happened to my shirt? Alright. Oh no, I failed. Okay, Google, stop. My stomach. I'm done. That's it, guys. We'll see you guys next time. You guys should try this out. This is really yummy.